bail arguments were heard on behalf of Mr. Babal Kaudekar, actually. And I pointed out to the court the various defects in the investigation. How there was a delay in, see, the ACB had come to raid on the 16th. And they said that they found these articles of gambling on the 16th. But they informed this to the crime branch only on the 19th. And the crime branch attached these articles of gambling only on the 20th. So I pointed out that there shouldn't have been 4 days delay in attachment of these articles if they were actually found on the 16th. If they were found on the 16th, nothing prohibited them from attaching on the 16th or the ACB to inform the crime branch on the 16th itself to come there and attach these things. Or even informed on the 17th or 18th. Why did they wait for 3 days to inform the crime branch, and why they wasted 4 days to attach these articles if they were actually in the premises on the 16th? Now, secondly, I pointed out to the court also that the ACB put their own lock to this the room where they say these things were found, but these locks were not sealed. And these keys of these locks were kept with the ACB and thereafter handed to the crime branch. And these keys of these locks were also not sealed. So, and I have also pointed out that the compound wall has, at this place where these rooms are, has 3 entries, which are 2 of which are unmanned. Anybody can jump over the compound wall, get into these unmanned gates. Could have kept these things in this 4 days period. So there is a possibility that the entire scene was tampered with, that these articles could have been planted. This is what I pointed out to the court.
And as orders
the public prosecutor was not in a position to argue today, so the matter is fixed on the 4th for further arguments. Because here they have said they have applied Prevention of Corruption Act. Now here to say apply Prevention of Corruption Act, they have to point out who is the public servant who is corrupt and who is implicated. That is, they have not pointed out. They have to show that certain person is involved. This is a case, their entire case is based only on that these articles are found in my premises. There is no direct evidence, no eyewitness to say that actually this activity was going on.